Namaste, Adab. I am Dr. Kanchan Gupta from Dr. Kanchan's desk. Today, my topic is very important about the fluid called amniotic fluid, which is a clear liquid that surrounds the embryo, the baby, in warmth of his or her mother. The fluid provides nutrients and oxygen to the baby. The embryo floats in that fluid. The movement of embryo is very necessary. The fluid provides cushion that protects the baby from injuries and allows room for the growth, movement, and development of the embryo. Amniotic fluid keeps the umbilical cord from being squeezed between the baby and wall of uterus. Means the nutrients are squeezed from uterine wall to feed the baby. In pregnancy, there may appear the problem of imbalance of amniotic fluid, which is a maternal or fetal issue. If fluid gets dried up and its ratio is little, lessening of fluid, this condition is called oligohydramnios, and this condition gets the baby to stuck at the wall of uterus, and the baby cannot take proper oxygen and may die. The another condition is also dreadful, which is caused by excess of amniotic fluid, which can burst the uterine wall, leading to baby's death. If such conditions appear, please have proper food, proper medicines. These conditions appear because of smoking by the pregnant woman, having those medicines which may cause side effects. Don't eat any allopathic or excess of Ayurvedic remedies. Don't eat garlic and ginger in pregnancy. If there is a problem of lessening of amniotic fluid, then have a lot of liquids, water, barley water, fruit juices, coconut water, sugar cane juices, and leafy vegetables. Have herbal extracts as salvia, miltiorizza to improve blood volume and fluid production. The homeopathic remedies are Natrum muraticum, pulsatilla, senecio, electris farinosa, haloneus, pulsatilla, and murex to balance the amniotic fluid. In case of polyhydramnios, the excess of fluid is controlled by same remedies which are meant for uterine toning. In cases of excessively increasing the fluid, homeopathic remedies are Syzygium, Jumbolenum, and phosphoric acid. In my practice span, only Natrum muraticum, Sepia pulsatilla, and Murex have shown wonderful results in cases of amniotic fluid imbalance. Within 2 days, the cases were hopeless, and gynosurgeons were ready to get the baby aborted at 7th or 8th month of pregnancy. The fluid imbalance mainly occurs at 7th or 8th month of pregnancy. Lessening of fluid causes suffocation to the baby and the baby dies. I use Natrum muraticum, pulsatilla, murex, and sepia daily, each in 200 potency once a day. Surprisingly, on the third day, the dreadful conditions disappear and the babies take normal birth. I hope that you must have liked this video. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you.